Welcome YouTubers. This is Silver Cajun Metals. Today we're going to talk about some gold, silver, and other investments that might make you some money in the future, or just enjoy collecting or having it to show. Just like the Silver Eagle that I melted for my first YouTube video. It's a beautiful coin, beautiful design, and my wife loved it, I loved it. It's a nice piece to have. You know, it's instead of looking at a coin, you're looking at a design. And a lot of people like stuff like that. And a lot of people also like things like this. You know, silvers that's in a case, that's certified. Some people like the ones that's numbered. I got a serial number, it might be numbered to 200 or 1,000, so it's limited. And when it's limited, less people have it, and it could be worth a lot more money in the future. And it's, you know, some people just adore having stuff like that. And also, just like gold, you know, gold is very nice to have, very nice to hold in your hand. And they come on cards too. Come in limited, also numbered. And this is a Korean coin. This is 1/10 of gold, and it's a pretty coin, real pretty. And some people collect stuff, you know, as far as tigers or dragons or whatever your preference is. A lot of people like to collect stuff like that. Now, kookaburras. A lot of people collect kookaburras, and now they got a kookaburra coin out, and it's gold, 0.9999 gold, and it's also 1/10, and the back of it is, you got the queen in the back, and it's a very, very beautiful coin. It's nice to have gold in your hands. You know, some people like it, some people just, you know, don't want to buy it or just can't afford it. I remember when I was younger, and I read a money magazine, and they always tell you pay yourself first, you know. So when I was younger, I made very little money, so I used to pay myself 10% first, just like it was a bill. And it worked out, because that 10% I either put it into investments, or if I saw something that I wanted, I had the extra money to buy it. So I always did that. Also, a lot of people also collect collectible toys, and this is one of the toys that I collected when I was younger than I was right now anyway. And this figure right here is one of the figures that's very, very limited. They didn't make a whole lot. They stopped the process, and they put a cloth cape over them instead of having a vinyl. And the vinyl one is very, very limited. Very nice. I got it put into one of the newer cases. You can see it right there. It's 1977 Kenner Star Wars Jawa with the vinyl cape, by 85 graded. When I paid for this thing, I bought it at $1,200. Now you can sell it for like $2,800. For one thing, it's very limited, and being in a case, it won't get messed up. So there's a lot of things that people can invest in and get money off of it, or just enjoy collecting. So that's the end of my video, and if you like it, subscribe or press like or whatever you want to do. But have a good day or good night, whatever you doing right now, and you have a good one. See you for the next video. Thanks.